Do you want others to share your Facebook posts, but don't see the share button? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to allow others to share your posts on Facebook. So watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The first step that we'll do is to open the Facebook mobile app on our phone and then tap on the little menu icon located at the bottom right. The next thing which we'll do is to go over to our Facebook profile by tapping on our name, and the next step is to find the post which you want other people to share. I have this photo which I've posted, and all I have to do is to tap on the three dots at the top right of my post, which will then open this menu. Select the Edit Privacy option, and yours was probably set to Friends or Only Me. But change this to Public, and then other people will be able to share your Facebook posts. If you need more similar Facebook and other tutorial videos like this one, then please make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.